Did you know? What is assurance? The concept every CA student must know. Assurance engagement means a practitioner gives a conclusion to increase confidence of users about a subject matter. There are always three parties involved in assurance: practitioner and a responsible party, intended users. The subject matter can be data, systems, or even behavior like governance. To evaluate subject matter, suitable criteria like IAS or IFRS are used. The practitioner must collect sufficient appropriate evidence before giving opinion. Finally, the assurance is communicated through a written report. So, key points to remember for the exam. First, the three parties involved: the practitioner, the intended user, and the responsible party. Second, the subject matter, which can be data, systems, or behavior. Third, suitable criteria, such as IAS or IFRS. Fourth, evidence, which must be both sufficient and appropriate. And finally, the report, which must be provided in written form.